Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-Lysine pills. L-Lysine is an essential amino acid, meaning your body cannot produce it on its own. It plays a crucial role in protein synthesis, calcium absorption, and supporting your immune system. Taking L-Lysine in pill form is a straightforward way to ensure you get enough of this important nutrient, especially if your diet lacks sufficient sources. When it comes to dosage, a common recommendation is between 500 milligrams and 3,000 milligrams daily, depending on your specific needs and health goals. It's generally best to take your L-Lysine pills with a full glass of water, ideally on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before a meal. If you're taking a higher dose, consider splitting it into 2 or 3 smaller doses throughout the day to optimize absorption. To take your L-Lysine pills effectively, simply swallow them whole with water. Avoid crushing or chewing them unless specifically instructed by a healthcare professional, as this can affect their release and absorption. For the best results, make taking your L-Lysine a consistent part of your daily routine. Remember to store your bottle in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. Before you begin any new supplement regimen, including L-Lysine, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current medications. While generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience mild side effects such as stomach upset or diarrhea. If you notice any adverse reactions, discontinue use and speak with your doctor. And speaking of staying healthy, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.